Hello everyone, welcome back to ICSA's official page. I am Mariam and I'm here today with Miss Shane, and we are super excited to introduce to you one of our most in-demand courses, graphics design course.
Hello everyone, I'm so happy to be here, and honestly this course is a game changer. If you ever wanted to design your own flyers, posters, business card, or social media content, this is the perfect opportunity.
That's right, and let me tell you, you do not need any background or experience. We'll take you from zero to confidence step by step, and by the end of this course, you'll be able to create professional, eye-catching designs all by yourself.
And the best part, graphic design is one of the strongest skills you can have today. Every business, every influencer, every brand needs good design. You can start freelancing, earning from home, or supporting your own business with this skill.
That's right, and we'll teach you how to create logos, posters, social media posts, business cards, and full brand identities using beginner-friendly tools like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, CorelDRAW, and logo making. And we'll move on to more advanced tools as you grow.
So if you're ready to level up your creativity, start an income, or just learning something you genuinely enjoy, this course is for you.
That's right, and seats are limited, guys, so message us now on 99302850. ICSA is here to build your confidence, your skills, and your future. We can't wait to see you shine. See you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.